Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtiwada. In this video, we will be learning about ParseInt and plus operator. So actually speaking, what is the difference between these two? Both are used for converting your string which contains a number into a number. So that is the strategy of both of this. But there is a quite difference. If it is same, why JavaScript will be giving us two different methods? So it is not the same way. There will be slight difference between these two. Let's understand what is the difference. So let me go into Visual Studio Code. Here, let me go into the index.js. So what I'll do is I'll just add where a is equal to, I'll add 10 for the string. Now what I'll do is I'll just use console.log of parseInt of, I want to pass 10. So what it will give? It will convert that particular string into a number because already it is having a number. Example. Now let me execute this. So node index.js, and now you got the 10. So let me give something like ABC with parseInt. So save this and now execute the same. Now you got 10 again. For example, if you have ABC 10, save this and now execute it again. So now you got the none. Actually speaking, in previous situation, actually it has a alphabet. So a number which will not have any alphabet, but what this parseInt is doing, it is taking the first numbers, and whenever it sees an alphabet like A, B, C, then immediately it is taking only the first number which is seeing. That means 1 and 0 are the numbers, so it is converting that into a number and it is giving the output if you execute. So if you are giving in the last, for example, I am giving in the last. So now first itself it is seeing alphabet. So that's why it is giving you none. That means parseInt, what it will do is it will check each and every character, and until it reaches any character that is nothing but alphabet, then it will be returning you none. Until unless it finds alphabet, it will not return you none. So now in the first case, whenever we have 10 ABC, that is 10 ABC, then you will be seeing the 10 value because first two characters are the numbers. So it is converting and it is giving you. For example, if I have something like in between, so even if you keep that value in between, the first character is an alphabet, hence it will not give the value. So that is how the parseInt will work. But how to make a proper check? That means I don't want to convert a number without, I don't want to convert into a number if I have an alphabet in that particular string. Now how can I do that is I can use 10 and I'll write two things. One is plus operator. So just we can put a plus and a. What it does is it will check in a strict manner. So whenever you keep plus, if it contains a pure number, then only it will return the value. For example, let me execute this. Now you got 10 and 10. Let me make it as parseInt and let me mark it as plus operator and save this. Now you can see you got parseInt also 10 and plus operator also 10. But let me give ABC. Now the case is different. If I execute this, first parseInt it returned a 10 because the first characters are numbers, so it is returning that number until it sees the alphabet. And plus operator is creating none because it is not a pure number, it is starting with number and contains an alphabet, so that's why it is giving none. And in the same way, if you want to give 10 in the last, then in this case both will result you in the same manner, that means none. Why? Because both are not a numbers. So in this case, none and none. So that is how your parseInt will work. Always remember, parseInt will give you the first numbers in that particular string until it sees an alphabet. If it sees the alphabet, it will ignore. Until it sees the alphabet, whatever the numbers you have before that alphabet, it will return you. So that is how the parseInt will work. Many people will be using parseInt, but be careful whenever you are using the parse. Better always do a pure check. That means if you want to convert into a pure number, you have to do plus operator. That means prepending any of the variable with the plus will convert your string into a pure number. Otherwise, it will give you none, not a number. So that's how the parseInt and plus operator will work in this JavaScript. In the upcoming video, I'll come up with lot of different concepts related to JavaScript. Please stay tuned for my YouTube channel. So that's about this video. If you like my explanation, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.